Yeah. Hey. Hey.
Shut up, air man. Auido. That's him that time.
Bad bitch, why you fucking a snitch? Broke nigga, you would never be rich. Little nigga, you ain't part of the clique. Wearing Dior shit like high kick. Real killer going aim for the mid. Different designer, they know that I'm lit. Dressed up, nigga, look like a lick. Told my man he was fucking a thot. Ran and told her, then they turned to a op. Fuck it though, I'm just here for the fetty. She slutty vibes with the dick in the belly. Never the crib, take that bitch to the telly. Eleven9, they say that nigga lit. Hit Vegas and LA in the Ritz. 2 tours, they know a nigga the shit. Yeah. If he hot, put his ass on the shirt. Talking crazy, they ain't know he got murked. Pop a perk, then I make that bitch squirt. Yeah. Tinted windows, they don't know what's behind. Wipe his nose, cause he thought he was slime. Young nigga, and he stay with his fine. Stay over there when you picking your side. Talk tough, but I know he won't ride. Not social, I'm just high and by. Low key when I ride by. 2 things, I am not for the socials. Not wifey, then I probably won't post you. She wanna fuck, she wanna fuck.
She wanna fuck. She wanna fuck. Go.
She wanna fuck, I eat her for lunch. I'm with the gang and we smoking on runs. Too much money, what I make in a month. Rockstar, they know I'm bringing the funk. She got Patron going down her throat. Other friend trying to ride the boat. White bitch want a line of coke. Whoa. 11-9 pulling up with all the hoes. Smoking octane, this shit really dope. I lost everything and still had some hope, yeah. Made a lot of money fucking with Apple. Pouring lean right inside of the Snapple. Call up my savage and have him come clap you, yeah. She wanna fuck with a groovy nigga. Call auto for the movie nigga. Ho always got a toolie with her. She off the Henny, I'm off Patron. She just wanna give me all alone. Fell in love with the game beyond. Fell in love with the game beyond. Never seen a eye fall to his knees. Claim me a hitter, it's hard to believe. Niggas a rat for a small piece of cheese. Fucking this bitch, I'm just doing my deed. Try to bury me, they ain't know I'm a seed. Motorsport, that's a fast car. 220 on the dashboard. I got tired of my bitch, so I grabbed yours.
Nigga, tell me it's that big now. Fuck your shit, Auto.
Man, these fuck niggas better check the scoreboard, man. We up.